In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop notifications from Sketchbook app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to permanently stop Sketchbook app notifications, just go ahead and look for your app and then go ahead and long press on it. From here, go ahead and tap on App Info, and this will go ahead and open the app info page. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, go ahead and look for the permissions section, and under it, look for notifications. As you can see, notifications have been turned on, and all these types of notifications are on. That's why you have been receiving those alerts. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and this will go ahead and turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you never again receive any alerts or pop-up notifications from Sketchbook app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop Sketchbook pop-up notifications or alerts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.